Okay, once you have your invoices set up, then that's just saying that you've received my emails that are coming in. Once you have your invoice is imported in, now it's time to go back to our manage our database and do the calculations. So what we'll do is go into File and Manage Database. And last time we were in there, we had set up those relationships. So go back over to your tables and click on the invoices table. Now we have some records in there, and go into the fields. So within the fields, we need to change those ones that you guys had as a number, and we need to do some calculations with them. So first let's go to the subtotal field, and I want you to change it from number into a calculation. And if it gives you a warning message at all, just click OK, because that's fine. There's no data stored in those fields yet. Then click on the options, and we need to build our calculation. So the subtotal that we have is just going to be based on the taking the quantity that we've purchased of a particular coffee times the price of the coffee. So we now have related tables. So if you go into your customer order table, or your coffee ID table, and we just get the price, and then we do the multiply sign or the asterisk, and then we go into our customers table and find the quantity ordered. So the subtotal is just price times quantity. So if they ordered 4 of them and they were $1 each, it will be a $4 for the subtotal. And then just click OK. We've already done the delivery charge. That's our auto enter. Now our GST, if you were to go to the store and buy something, your GST is always your subtotal times the GST percentage. So again, change that type to a calculation type. And then for the calculation, we need to create that. So it will be that subtotal, and then again a multiply. So times, and we need to just go into our state GST and get our GST rate. So for that particular state, it's just going to multiply the subtotal times the GST rate, and then that will give us our total GST we have to pay. Okay, finally, we need our whole total, our overall total. So that's going to be your subtotal plus the delivery plus the GST. So again, if this was real live and you had ordered from Nespresso, or you ordered something online, you've bought a shirt or something online, that's what they do. They take the price times the quantity, add in any delivery charges and any GST, and that's actually what you pay. That's your final total. So that one again needs to be a calculation field. And so how do we get that? We just add those 3 things together. And so we say it's our subtotal plus our delivery charge plus our GST. And when we click OK, then that will build those. Now if we want to see if that is working, we could add in, oh, we can't do it in here. Oh yeah, here we go. We can add in, and with the plus, our subtotal and plus our GST and plus our total. And that way you can just see if your calculations have worked. And I can see here, so delivery, it's figuring out that there was a $4.85 subtotal. The GST calculation was here, and then our final total. So that's that plus that. And the delivery charge added in. So it looks like it's all working correctly. That's your next step.